Yo, I'm Steph.
And I'm Dre.
And we're from Calibrate Studio. So today we're going to go through our third part of our hip flexor series, and today it's going to be a standing variation. So as you can see, Dr. Dre over here has got the bands on his feet. So we're going to keep it around the soles of the feet. Now, we're not only working our hip flexors, but we're actually working the stability of the other leg. So we're going to be adding in the extra component of balance today. So he's going to balance on his right leg. So to start that off, he's literally going to lean over, shifting the weight over into his right leg. Now he's going to bend his left leg up. So you can see now as he comes into this position here, his foot is actually going to be directly below the knee. Okay, so this position here is your starting position. Keep his hands wherever he wants. And now to actually add the working reps, he's going to drive his knee up towards me, hold, come, and back down, and up, and back down. Try and stay upright. Squeeze your right bum cheek forward and up. Just one more. And back down, and all the way down. Good. So key pointers for this one, I'm not going to make him balance while I talk. Make sure your right leg or your standing leg is actually fully extended. So side profile, just to show you one more time. As you can see Dre here, this is his standing leg. This is going to be his working leg. As he reaches up towards me here, just bring your hands to your hips for a second. You can see how he wants to pull his hips forward, but he's starting to lean back. So now I want him to stand taller, like his spine goes up that way. Good. Meanwhile, as I help him with his balance just a little, he's going to squeeze his glute and lock his right knee out. Lock it out. Good. Now from there, this foot stays underneath the knee, and then he drives up and back down. And again, up and relax. Good. So side profile, you want to stay nice and tall, making sure you're not leaning back into it, because again, you're dumping into your lower back. Every single time you're standing up tall, if you think about our glute bridges and everything else that we've done so far, we're actually tucking the hips under, making sure your glute is firing to actually stabilize and support the rest of your body. So that is it for today for our hip flexor series. Again, you won't want to do too many of these reps, but the options are there. Again, resistance-wise, start light on these ones. I would recommend anything above extra light. Extra light's a little bit too light, and the resistance isn't going to provide enough for you. But work from the blue band up through to the red band. Okay, so hope you enjoyed this series, and I hope you stay tuned for more. Thank you so much for watching.
Bye.